Is the safety belt the only way to attach my child seat?
How else can I attach my child seat? What are these anchors in my rear seat?
Your vehicle may have a latch system that makes securing your child seat easy and could help keep your child safe in case of an accident. You'll know if your child seat can be used with the latch system if it has either two rigid attachments with metal connectors or two flexible straps with metal hooks that can be connected to the lower anchors in your seat, and if it has a belt strap with a metal clip that's attached to the top back portion of the seat. Still with me? Great. Now, let me show you how it works. The latch system consists of 3 anchor points to secure your child seat. The 2 lower anchors in the seat bite where the back and the seat cushion meet, and the top tether anchor on the back of or behind the vehicle seat, here. Attach the metal connectors on the bottom of your child seat. Remember, the ones that are either rigid or on a strap, to the anchors, which may be marked with a child seat symbol, here. If your seat has straps, tighten them by pulling up until the seat is secure and doesn't move. If your clips are on a rigid attachment, push your seat back and forth after you've attached it to make sure it doesn't move. Once you've installed your child seat with the lower anchors of the latch system, attach the top tether strap under the headrest or over the top of the head restraint if it's not adjustable or removable, and tighten the strap.